Hello guys, I feel excited today. Welcome back into my channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much guys for subscribing, and please, if you're new, consider subscribing. And guys, guess what? Today we are going to cook one of my favorite dish. Guess what? If you know what's my favorite dish, work apple in the comments below. And with me guys, I have the onions. You know the way I like onions. I have the onions, both white and red onions. I have the garlic, and I have the tomatoes. I have my cilantro. I have potatoes. I have the salt and the cubes. I have my royco. I have the peanut, my oil, and finally guys, my green bananas. So guys, let's get into it. I feel excited, and you guys, you're so much welcome. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the fire, and then right ahead guys, I'm going to put on the oil. Just a little bit too much. And then I'm gonna wait for the oil to get hot. Let the oil get hot guys. And for the bananas guys, I'm gonna put them in the hot water. I'm gonna put them in the hot water. So this is how you do it guys. I don't know whether you can see me. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. And then I'm gonna get the bananas right here. I have the container here that I'm gonna put. So you're gonna cut this. Okay. Then you get a knife, a smaller one. Then you cut here guys. You cut right here. Then you make a line. You make a line like this, and another line right here, another line. You put it there, and another, all of them. We're gonna put them in the hot water for a while. It's because you don't want this sap. What do you call this sap guys? What do you call it? In my language we call it medina. So you don't want medina to be on your hands, because it's so hard for them to come out even after you wash your hands. So if you don't want to get them, you do this. You put it in the hot water, or you apply some oil, the cooking oil, on your hands. Be careful not to cut the banana though. Just slightly, not too much. Don't go deep. You leave them in the hot water for like 10 minutes. You can boil them if you want. You can just cut them like this, and then you put them in the hot water and boil them if you want. So for me, I'm going to put them there, and then I'm going to add hot water onto them. Very hot water. So we're going to leave them there guys, and then I'm going to go right ahead and add our onions. There. So we're going to give it some time so that it can cook, and at the meantime guys, I'm going to chop my tomatoes. I'm gonna chop them just a little, like into quarters, and then I'm gonna blend them. I'm going to blend them. So I'm going to put them here. I'm going to put them here. And my garlic, all of them, I'm gonna put them there. And then guys, I'm going to bread them. So guys, as you can see now, our onions are browning. So we are gonna go right ahead and add our cubes. And some Royco, some little Royco. Okay. You have to mix everything good and make sure that the cubes are all like they are cooking good together with the onions, because you want even your spices to be cooked. So guys, I'm going to add the onions, the blended tomatoes. There we go. So we're gonna let this cook, and it smells good already. I'm gonna give it some like 5 minutes to cook. I'm going to cover it, and then we give it like 5 minutes so that it can cook good. And I put my fire on the low side. Good. So guys, at this point I'm going to go right ahead and add our potatoes. I'm cutting them into half. I'm gonna go right ahead and dump them. Guys, as you noticed, I've not added the salt yet because you know most of the spices, they're all salt. So I'm gonna see how it tastes, the salt, and it is good. We don't need to add anything. So I'm going to cover them again, and then we give them like 5 minutes to cook. So guys, at this point, because our potatoes are almost not cooked but are almost cooked, I'm just gonna go right ahead, guys, and I add our bananas. Guys, look at my hands, guys, they look clean. See, it's because of putting the bananas in the, and they look clean too. And I'm gonna cut them into half. It's because I added them some what is it called, I did put them in the hot water, guys, so that medina is gone. I don't know how you call it in your language or where you come from, guys. Please let me know in the comment section, guys, how you call that that sap that comes out of the bananas, guys. And at this point, guys, I'm going to add the peanut butter. Guys, it looks good. You can see it looks good, it smells good. I'm going to add the peanut butter. Wow. And some water too. I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna add some water. That's enough. And then here, guys, I'm going to add our turmeric. At this point, I'm going to add our turmeric. Guys, this is gonna be so delicious. There you go. So guys, we are going to give it like 5 minutes to cook. And then we are going to come and add our cilantro. So nice, guys. It's so nice. So I'm going to cover it. And then we give it 5 or so minutes. Cook under low heat. And then we are going to come and see how it looks, guys. Let's give it some few 5 minutes. So guys, this looks good and it looks like it is cooked. So we're gonna look and see how. I'm going to use the fork. So if you see, guys, like, oh, it's all good. You see, if the fork can go through, guys, just know that your food, your green bananas, all the matoke and the potatoes are all cooked. So I'm gonna go right ahead, guys, and add our cilantro. Always remember to add the cilantro at the last point, guys. So I'm gonna go right ahead and add them. Guys, it looks good. I don't know whether you can see, guys, but it looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It looks good. Really nice. This looks so good. So guys, I'm gonna go right ahead and turn off the fire. We don't need the fire no more. And then I'm going to serve it so that. So guys, look at that. Look at that, guys. Amazing. Smells delicious, and I believe it tastes so good. Look at the color, guys. Remember, the color of the food is very, very important. Look at it. Looks good. I'm gonna give it a bite, guys. Very well cooked. Very well. Look at that, guys. Very well cooked. And it's hot, guys, but I'm gonna give it a bit. It is very hot, guys. It's very, very, very hot. And remember, guys, I know I didn't tell you, I added one of the hottest pepper ever. I did add one of the pepper, you see, right here. And it's very, very spicy. So I'm gonna give it some time, guys, so that it can cool down a little bit. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye, guys.